guys, today I'm going to show you what I recently bought. It is a snake swim ring. It inflates to approximately 75 by 85 centimeters. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open the box and show you guys what it actually looks like from the inside. Okay. Oh, it's a very thin material, by the way. Okay, so this is the head of the snake, as you can see here. Oh, it's a cute small tongue. Do you see it? Okay. So the reason why I got this floatie is because I actually can't swim and I'm gonna learn how to swim in Hawaii. So hopefully this will help me learn how to swim. And at the end of its tail, as you can see here, this is where you're supposed to blow into it and it will inflate the entire floatie. And if you can see, it's pretty big. Let me extend it a little bit more. Okay. So usually with floaties, you'll notice that it's a donut shape, but with this one, you can actually adjust to however you like and wrap it around you. That's really cool. Like I said before, I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like in Hawaii.